Hello everyone, warm touch the leg to you all. It's me, Jordan here again. So, you must be thinking that why am I wearing this shiny thing today? Because it is to celebrate this day. You know, today is the very special day and precious day to all the Buddhists because it's Buddha Jayanti, the Vesak day. So on this day, three major great moments were happened, which are the Lord Buddha's birth, him getting enlightenment, him passing away, the nirvana. That's why it's very important for us. So, because it's very special day, we believe that if we do one good merit, it will turn into millions of merits. And same goes with the evil things. Be careful, be wise, and do the great things. So I would like to take this opportunity to tell you guys a brief history of Lord Buddha. The Buddha was born into a noble family in Lumbini. He was called Siddhartha Gautama in his childhood. His father was King Suddhodana and his mother was Queen Maya. A prophecy indicated that if the child stayed at home, he was destined to become a world ruler. If the child left home, however, he would become a universal spiritual leader. To make sure the boy would be a great king and world ruler, his father isolated him in his palace and he was raised by his mother's younger sister, Mahapajapati Gautami, after his mother died just 7 days after childbirth. He was a quick learner and he was perfect in everything. At the age of 18 or 19, he went outside of palace for the first time. There he saw newborn baby, people loving and caring, and then he saw sick people and dying people. There he learned that everyone has to die one day, even his parents. Knowing the true nature of human beings, it made him think of solution and if he could do anything about it. So he left the palace and prince life. He cut his own hair and became monk to find the ultimate happiness. He visited many teachers and learned a lot of things. He meditated under a Bodhi tree for 6 years. After 6 years of meditating, he found enlightenment. He found the ultimate happiness. He gained Buddhahood and he wanted to share his knowledge, so he turned the wheel of Dharma 3 times. He couldn't give his power to us, but he showed us the way to the ultimate happiness. He liberated many people. He did 45 summer retreats. At the age of 81, in a place called Kushinagar, he attained Mahaparinirvana. He taught us that everything we see, touch, feel are impermanent. Nothing is granted. He may not be with us today, but he is still alive in every Buddhist's heart and always will be. Thank you.